Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can mute the notifications of your Instagram DMs or messages. So if you're fed up with all of those tiring notifications that you receive in your Instagram DMs, then this video is for you. So let's follow the simple steps. First, you need to tap on these three dots present at the top right corner, and then once you hit the settings and activity page, you can see this option which says notifications. So click on the notifications, and here you can choose of which notifications you want to manage. So we will choose messages, and here you go. Now you have all of the refined settings that you can continue with. So for example, the first category is the message request, and here you can see a preview like which notification this actually refers to. So if you don't want any of these notifications which are listed right here, then all you need to do is turn them off one at a time, and do this for all of those notifications that you don't like. So for example, I will be turning off these notifications one by one as I want. And once you have done this, all you need to do is simply go back and you are all set to go. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.